Oh, hi, I'm here with my Pebble and my flex meter wrist guard. You might recall a few weeks ago I did a video where I showed how I mounted my new Pebble onto this wrist guard. And I used 3M Dual Lock, a super strong version of Velcro, you could say. But there's been a problem. It hasn't been working out so well, and that's because the wrist guard has a curvature on it, and the Pebble was flat. So in reality, only about maybe a third of the matching dual lock material has been touching. And what's happened a few times on some rides, I've bumped into something, and it's just popped right off. So I need to fix that. So what I'm going to do, or what I've done, is I fabricated a adapter plate out of wood, and it has a curvature on it that approximately matches the curvature on the flex meter. Here's another pair I have. And so I'm going to mount dual lock here and on the curved part, and it's going to attach like so. But of course now the mating surfaces match and should be a real secure fit. And then on the flat part, I'll put another piece of dual lock, which of course is flat, and this is flat, so there's going to be 100% matching coverage. So I anticipate this to work out good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put a few coats of black paint on this so it better blends in with the flex meter. And I'll be back to mount it. Okay, I have my adapter plate painted and ready to go. So now I'm going to attach the dual lock. There'll be links below to everything I'm using today. So I have this marked out approximately. That'll go like that. The adhesive on this dual lock is really strong. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see if it clicks on. And you can hear that snap. Looks like it's pretty good. And if this happens to pop off, which I'm hoping it won't now, since it's looks much more secure, then I will epoxy this onto the glove. We're going to give this a shot first. Okay, and now one more piece. You can hear that nice solid click. Much better. All right, there you go, guys. Let's hope that works better.